OneSearch is a discovery tool. It means that with a unique search key, it will let you find many resources of any type: articles, books, journals, print and online, that are available in our library, and more documents coming from other external sources like databases, digital libraries, and so on. First thing you should do is to do the logging. This will give you some useful features for your search. We will see them in another video. There are many search options. It is possible to use the simple search, the advanced search, and the browse search. Let's see some example of the simple search. You can digit some keywords Google-like, for example, women education. The words you enter will be searched in every field. As you digit the keywords, the discovery will give you some suggested search keys that you can select. You can search into different sections of our resources. In the library catalog, words are searched among the print and electronic documents cataloged by our library and that we have access to. The extended search retrieves more resources coming from other sources like databases, research repositories, digital libraries, multimedia collections, and much more. This kind of research allows you to find also articles from e-journals that are not available among the library subscribed collections, but may be of your interest. You can search only journals by title, or only ebooks, or only documents among the Sant'Anna School thesis and dissertation. Before launching a research, it would be better to have clear what is your purpose. For example, if the question of your research is, "Do I find this book in our library?" and you have a specific resource in mind, you can search it by few significant words from the title and the author's name. For example, criminal law, Cassese. If words are correct, the discovery will suggest some titles or some string that you can select. You can then select Library Catalog, for you know it is a book. Let's have a quick look at the result list. You can have print documents. If you click on Check Holdings, you will find the detailed description of your resource, plus the information on where to find it on the bookshelf. You can also have online documents. If you click on Online Access, send us to a more detailed description, plus the direct link to the full text result. Same thing if you want to look for a specific article. Even if you don't remember the exact title, you can enter some keywords and the name of the author. You select Extended Search. Let's see another case. For example, I want to look if the library has the subscription to this journal. First, you select only journals, and then you enter the title. The record will give you information of the version that we have subscribed. For example, of this title, we subscribed both to the online version and to the print version. If instead my question is, what resources on this topic are available, and you want to search for documents on a topic of interest, you can select Extended Search and insert some keywords. For example, I want to see what documents are available on fast fashion. You will find all available resources that contains these words or phrase. You can search the exact phrase by putting your words into quotation marks. Let's have a quick look to the list of results. Each record describes a document. It reports the information to identify the publication and those that tell us how we can have it and if we can have it. You can then tweak your result by using the facet. For example, you can limit the view to what has full text available, or you can limit by resource type, by subject or topic, by author, by date of publication, and so on. You can then order your result by relevance, date of publication, author, and title.